language time. So before that, let's sing a rhymes for our language. Okay, baby? Come on. Come, little children, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Butter on your bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you A, B, C. A, B, C. Wow, good job. Super. Okay, baby. Already we met our old friends. A to R. From A to R. Totally we have seen 18 letters already. Am I right? Yes. Whether you are giving recalling that letters or not. Are you giving recalling with phonic sound? Okay, time and again you have to recall that letters. So today we are going to see our... Yes, this is capital. Yes, this is small s. S for star, sun. S for star, sun. What sound of this letter? What sound of this letter? Sun. Star. S is for sun. Sun. Star. Very good. What is the sun, baby? What is the sun? Yes, sun. Where you can see the sun? We can see the sun in the sky. We can see the sun in the sky. What's the color of the sun? The color of the sun is yellow. Color of the sun is yellow. Star we can see in the sky. Star we can see in the sky. Come on. Next we meet our friend letter T. What is this letter? Capital T. Capital T. This is small t. T for train, tomato. T for train, tomato. What sound of this letter? T, 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 train. T, 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 tomato. T is for t, t, train. T, t, train. T, t, tomato. T is for t, t, train. T, t, train. T, t, tomato. What is a tomato? Yes, it's one of the vegetable. Tomato is one of the vegetable. It color in red. It color in red. We already know train. That's a transport. That's a land transport. Let's make some coo. Okay, baby. Come on. Next, shall we meet our friend letter U. What is this letter? Capital U. What is this letter, baby? Capital U. This is small u. U for uniform, umbrella. U for uniform, umbrella. What sound of this letter? Umbrella. Uniform. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Uniform. Okay, kids. Umbrella we know already. So when do we use umbrella? So during the summer season and as well as rainy season also. Umbrella. So uniform means, so daily we are wearing the uniform. We go to school, you know, baby. Yes, daily we used to wear uniform while going to school. What is this letter? Capital V. Capital V. This is small v. This is small v. V for van, violin. V for van, violin. What sound of this letter? V, 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 van. V violin. V is for van. Van. Violin. What is a violin? Violin is one of the musical instrument. Violin. This is a van. So van is a road transport. It moves on the road. See how many wheels for van? Exactly 4 wheels. Good job. Next shall we move on to letter W? See here. What is this letter? Capital W. What is this letter? Capital W. This is small w. W for watch, watermelon. W for watch, watermelon. What sound of letter W? Watch. Watermelon. Watch. Watermelon. W is for watch. Watermelon. Okay, baby. Okay. So regarding our friends, let's see more objects. Come on. This is letter capital. Yes. This is small s. S for sun, snake, sheep, strawberry, scissors, shark, ship. Okay, baby. This all things starts with letter yes. What's the sound of letter yes? Letter yes. Very good. This is capital T. This is small t. What all the object starts with letter T? See here. What is this object? Yes. Very good. Tiger. This is. See this object. What's the name of the object? Yes. Tree. This is. Say what is the object? Good job. Teddy. This one. Fantastic. Super. Tomato. This is. Good job. Tortoise. This is. See this object. See this object. Come on. This is. Tent. Good job. This is. Table. Yes. This all object starts with letter T. What sound of letter T? T. Capital U. This is capital U. This is small u. What sound of letter U? What all the object starts with letter U? See here. What is this object? Yes, very good. Umbrella. Very good. This is up. Up. Very good. This is good job. Uniform. This is undergarment. Undergarment. This is good job. Super. This is unicorn. This is unicycle. Very good. This all object starts with letter U. What sound of letter U? This is letter. This is capital V. Capital V. This is small v. V for what sound of letter V? Now you have to find out what are the objects starts with letter V. See here. What is this object? Yes, very good. Van. This is violin. Very good. This one. Vulture. Super. Vase. Very good. This is vegetables. Good job. Waste. Super. Vacuum cleaner. So these objects all starts with letter V. What sound of letter V? B. Baby, come on. Yes, very good. This is capital W. This is small w. W. What sound of letter W? W, 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 W. What is this object? See here. Watch. This is good job. Watermelon. Super. This is window. Very good. This is wheel. Very good. Super. This is well. Good job. This is ball. This is ball. This is water. Very good. These objects also start with letter W. What sound of letter W? W, 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 W. Okay, kids. Today we met our friends from S to W. Already we finished 18 letters. Along with that letters, you have to recall that letters with phonic sound as well as written practice also. You know already A to Z written, capital letters as well as small letters. You have to take practice A to Z with oral also. Okay, with phonic sound. Okay, baby? Have you understood? Yes. Okay.